Yummo. Let me tell you a story that might sound familiar. The alarm clock buzzes. You hit snooze, maybe too many times. Suddenly, you're late. You rush to get ready, skipping breakfast. You promise to grab something quick on the way, but it's never as easy or healthy as you hope. You end up with a greasy sandwich or a sugary donut. It tastes good for a minute, but soon you feel tired and sluggish. Not the best way to start your day, right? This cycle costs you energy, health, and money. Fast food is full of salt, sugar, and not much goodness. You deserve better. You need fuel that keeps you energized. Imagine waking up to a healthy breakfast, ready to go, no stress. That's the magic of meal prep. It's a simple trick that can change your mornings. No more rushing, no more skipping meals. Just grab and go. Meal prep is easier than you think. Ready to take back your mornings? Let's get into it. Let's talk meal prep. Quick, simple, and delicious. Meal prep means making food ahead, so you always have something good to eat. It's like being your own personal chef. You control what you eat and how you like it. Start with breakfast. Try overnight oats. Just mix oats, milk or yogurt, and fruit in a jar. Refrigerate overnight. In the morning, breakfast is ready. Creamy, filling, and healthy. Make several jars for the week in minutes. Or try smoothie packs. Fill freezer bags with fruit and greens. In the morning, blend with your favorite liquid for a fast, nutritious smoothie. Spend 20 minutes prepping on Sunday, and your mornings are stress-free. No more skipping breakfast or buying unhealthy snacks. You'll have more energy, feel better, and save money. Meal prep isn't about being fancy. It's about being smart. A little effort, big rewards. Ready to make your kitchen work for you? Let's keep going. Now, let's tackle lunch with batch cooking. Buying lunch daily gets expensive and isn't always healthy. Batch cooking means making a big batch of food to use all week. Start with a protein. Bake chicken breasts with simple seasoning. Once cooked, slice or shred for salads, wraps, or bowls. Next, roast a tray of veggies, broccoli, peppers, zucchini. Toss with olive oil and spices. Store everything in containers. Each night, pack your lunch, greens, roasted veggies, chicken, and a simple dressing. 5 minutes and you're set for the next day. You know exactly what's in your meal. No more sad desk lunches or overpriced takeout. Batch cooking saves time, money, and stress. It's flexible. Switch up proteins or veggies each week. Healthy, homemade lunches, ready to go. You're in control of your food and your budget. Batch cooking makes healthy eating easy. Try it this week and see the difference. Let's wrap it up. So, what's the payoff? You'll be healthier, with more energy and less stress. Having meals ready means better choices and less temptation. You eat more veggies, more protein, and less junk. No more morning panic or lunchtime rush. Meal prep gives you more time and mental space for what matters, and you'll save real money. Groceries cost less than eating out. Use those savings for something fun. Start small. Prep breakfast for a week and see how you feel. It's not about perfection, it's about making life easier and tastier. Ready to try meal prep? Share your favorite tips in the comments. Let's help each other eat better, save money, and enjoy every meal. You've got this.